Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is another partial fraction problems, but it is different kinds of. If the factor is in square form, what should we do? There is a rules you can see. So at first write the left side as it is, then equal, then a over 2x plus 1, write the 2x plus 1 plus, at first write the x plus 1, and for c x plus 1 square. Okay, if it is a cube, whole cube, then you have to write another d plus d over x plus 1 cube for whole cube. Okay, so it is equation 1, and now write the left side as it is. LCM, the three fractionals part. Do you know how to LCM the multiple fractionals value? Here I am showing you. At first write the denominator part, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 1 square. Divide. What is the divide or common part? It is 2x plus 1. I divide 2x plus 1, then 1 and x plus 1 square, and now I divide x plus 1. It is 1 as usual, and 1 x plus 1. There is a 3 rest of x, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 1, right? So times, another times, multiply both of them. So what is the value? 2x plus 1 and x plus 1 square. It is the LCM result. And now calculate the fractionals problem. So the part A, 2x plus 1 will be eliminated, so only x plus 1 square. The x plus 1 will be eliminated for B. The rest of B is 2x plus 1 and another x plus 1. Can you tell me what is the which one will be eliminated? Yes, x plus 1 square will be eliminated, so only 2x plus 1 here. It is equation 2. Both are same, so cancel out. Rewrite the equation. 2 11x square plus 14x, not, it is equation 2. I'm writing the equation. This is equation 2 right now. So now we have to substitute the value one by one. First A, then B, then C part. What is the value of A part? 2x plus 1 equals 0, x equal minus half, right? Put the value of x equals to minus half in the equation 2. The left side, 11 times minus half square, 14 times minus half plus 5 equal which part will be 0? Can you imagine? Yes, B part and C part will be 0 because both part has 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, right? Because I am using the 2x plus 1 factors, substituting the x equals to minus half. So they are 0, 0 plus 0. It's a calculation. I'm using the calculator. The left side is, what is that? It is complicated. complicate mistake. I have mistake. Okay, right now. Yes, the value of a equal -3. Now substitute the part of b, that means x equals to x equal minus 1, right, in the equation 2. The left side, put the value of -1. Can you tell me which part will be 0? The a part and b part as x plus 1, right? So they will be 0. Only c part, 2 times 1 plus -1, it is plus 1. So what is the value left side? C equal, yes, -2. And the last one, when x equals to 0, there is no part of last part, right? So you can use x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2, whatever you like to find out, or equating. There is another rules to find out the last part is equating the x square coefficient. Okay, anyway, so what is the value? The third factor is missing, that means same value. So I use x equals to 0. Then after the x equals to 0, you may use x equals to 1, or then x equals to 2, as you like. And I'm substituting the 0. So 11 0 is square, 14 0 plus 5, a equal yes, and 0 plus 1. Left side must be 5, and a b 1, that is b, and c, another c. Put the value of c. What is the value of c? And a value is 2, a value is 3, and c value is c value is -2. We have to find the b value. What is the b? 3 minus 2, that is 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Yes, 4. The b value is 4. So we have all of this a, b, c. Put the value of a, b, c in the equation 1 to get the answer. A is 3 over 2x plus 1. The b value is 4, so 4 over b factor is x plus 1, and c is -2, that is plus minus -2 in between b and c. So it is the answer. I hope you understood.